Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In my upcoming workshop on Sumi-e focus on texture stroke for landscape, I'm going to talk about the me dots. And do you think that, like by using dots to create a painting is generally known as pointillism, and everybody thought that it is created or first applied by Georges Seurat in the 1800s in France? But do you know that all the way back during the Song Dynasty, from 960 to the 1100s, actually in China, there are two really expert landscape artists, Mi Fu and his son Mi Youren. They have already created pointillism in a matter of fact. But of course, instead of applying colors, a lot of time they are using black ink, but different gradation of black ink. So in this workshop, we'll focus on the use of dots to create landscape, particularly in the misty depiction of cloud and mist, distant mountain, and so on. So in this particular workshop, we'll talk about the what we call sometimes commonly look as the large me, or me means the literal meaning of me is rice. So sometimes it's translated to rice dot because it does look like a grain of rice. But then we'll talk about, the me dots created by Mi Fu, the father, and then also talk about how his son Muren actually advanced and further expanded the me dots into his style of depicting distant landscape with gradation of dots. And so in this particular workshop, we'll focus on dots, kind of a Eastern application of pointillism, 700 and more, 700 or 900 years before the creation of pointillism in Europe. So we will talk about the depiction of landscape, particularly the one with cloud and mist, and how we use the dots to create that in Muren's dots, and also how to apply various kind of dots, particularly on the top of mountains, to create different kind of vegetations. On top of that, these me dots is also useful in working on trees. So at the bottom half of the workshop, we will also spend some time on how to create dots on tree branches, tree trunks in distant view, and also, more close-up view to create your landscape. So it has a unified look of use of dots, but can have cloud and mist, can have vegetation from a distance, and also tree leaves and branches, and so on. So I hope to see you in this particular workshop focused on the me dots, a Eastern kind of pointillism that's created over 800 or 900 years ago, before pointillism is popular in Europe. So I hope to see you in this special workshop of me dots in Sumi-e landscape. See you.